Azim, I need your help, please. I have a client who's looking for a house with an open concept, great location, and I need a mortgage helper.
I'll do one better for you. I've got a home with 2 mortgage helpers.
2?
2.
Can I see it?
Yeah, for sure. Let's go take a look.
Okay. This incredible home is ready for a new homeowner. With 3 stories, 6 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and a beautiful coach house, this makes this home a great investment opportunity. With 2 mortgage helpers along with 2,750 square feet of home space and a double car garage, there's no shortage of space. Now this is a property you don't want to miss out on.
So Jessi, what do you think?
Well, I mean, it checks 2 of my boxes. What about the location?
Thought you'd never ask. Located in Surrey, but right by the border to Langley, Willowbrook Mall is just 5 minutes away with a ton of shops and amenities. There's also plenty of parks, trails, and schools within walking distance of the home. You're also in a great location for transit with the new SkyTrain coming soon. So contact us to come see this beautiful home, if it checks all of your boxes.
Because it sure checks mine.